Meaning of insolently.
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 Insolently. Insolently is an adverb that describes behavior or actions that are disrespectful, rude, or contemptuous. It implies a lack of respect for authority or social norms. When someone behaves insolently, they may be speaking or acting in a way that is deliberately confrontational, aggressive, or impudent. This behavior often results in causing offense or anger in the person or people being addressed. Insolence can lead to strained relationships and negative consequences in personal and professional settings, as it undermines the principles of mutual respect and cooperation that are essential for healthy interactions.